Experts identify the top foods to eat that can act as a dry skin remedy to keep your skin soft, supple and hydrated. Today's video discusses 7 healthy foods that will revamp your dry skin. No moisturizer needed. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Foods to moisturize dry skin. Eat more sweet potatoes. These tasty tubers are not only delicious but they are super healthy and are a great for dry skin remedy. These root vegetables, don't forget to eat the skin. Pack a double dose of skin protecting nutrients including vitamin A and beta-carotene. Why it works? Vitamin A aids in the skin repair, while beta-carotene strengthens the skin's protective barrier, helping to moisturize and plump up skin cells. 2. Arm of the avocados. Scoop of some guacamole. Turns out avocados are great for people with dry skin, which may be why avocado is a key ingredient in natural face masks. These fruits are great for your hair and nails too. Why it works? Avocados contains an abundance of vitamin E and monounsaturated fats, specifically omega-6 fats, that keep the skin moist and prevent the skin from aging. 3. Consider cucumber. If you have ever layered cucumber around your eyes to reduce puffiness, you can probably guess that there are reasons why these antioxidants and vitamin C containing bases should top each and every salad or get sliced and dropped into a refreshing iced cold glass of water. Why it works? The vitamin C in cucumber, which are a nice additions to any garden, helps treat inflamed skin. The silica in the peel of the cucumber nourishes, hydrates and firms the skin. 4. Takes time for tangerines. Like many citrus fruits, tangerines are packed with vitamin A and C as well as beta-carotene, which helps maintain your skin's moisture, and they may even help protect against type 2 diabetes. Why it works? The vitamins in tangerines, especially the vitamin C, helps improve the collagen in your skin to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, form skins and speed up your skin rebuilding process. 5. Consider coconut oil. This popular ingredient is not just great for cooking but is an excellent moisturizer too and has multiple uses for hair and nails. Why it works? Packed with antioxidants, coconut oil has been found to help improve the skins in those with atopic dermatitis, according to a study published in Dermatitis. Unlike most foods, it can also be used as a topical application directly on the skin to help moisturize. 6. Satiate with salmon and other fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, trout and tuna are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Your goal aims to eat at least 4 ounces of fish twice a week. Why it works? The fatty acids in fish are said to reduce inflammation caused by UV radiations and may help reduce the risk of inflammatory skin problems like psoriasis, dermatitis and skin dryness. 7. Seek out nuts and seeds. Filled with fiber and packed with vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, nuts and seeds make an ideal snacks for your skin. Walnuts and flax seeds are especially rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Why it works? Count on the vitamin E in nuts and seeds such as almonds, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds to help protect the skin from sun damage and inflammation, acting as a natural dry skin remedy. So are you going to add these foods in your diet? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.